Hi, I'm Collin Sweeney, the Chief Technologist for ZKX Solutions. Given the news that we've recently been awarded a patent for our novel inventions in the cybersecurity and authentication field, we wanted to take this opportunity to formally explain exactly what those inventions are. The first of these inventions is a method to recover private keys. In a typical public-private key pair system, and specifically authentication that is public-private key pair based, private keys are typically stored in their totality in some form or fashion, be it on a certificate or some kind of removable hardware media like a storage chip. The ZKX invention, called the private key recovery process, ensures that private keys are never stored in their totality anywhere on the system, be it a centralized server that lives somewhere on the network or even a specific user device or credential. Instead, via the private key recovery process, the ZKX authentication system is storing how we describe as cryptographically inert pieces of data, or fragments of these private keys that are not inherently sensitive or authenticating in isolation. The second of these inventions is a novel, non-interactive, zero-knowledge proof-driven authentication scheme for continual user and device authentication. In this invention, users are not required to constantly reproduce their same authentication artifacts in order to stay authenticated. With this non-interactive, novel, zero-knowledge session authentication, users and their devices can continually be authenticated in the scope of their network operations without slowing down the user with constant requests to supply the same authenticating information. These two inventions together have synthesized to create an authentication platform that is succinctly different, novel, and much more powerful than other competing solutions on the market. Therefore, we have been awarded a patent for how disruptive and unique these technologies are, not just together, but also in isolation from each other.